Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will continue our discussion about the Haiper AI. In my previous video, I covered the Haiper AI from the video creation perspective. So we created a video with the text in HD format, which was a 2 seconds video. I also talked to you guys about how the Haiper AI came into the existence, who is the investor of the project, and all other bits and pieces. Which, if you want to hear more about it, please visit my other video where I covered it all. Today, I want to go ahead and move into the animated the images in HD and also SD format. What is the difference between those? I will also explain to you in a nutshell. Plus, I want to show you guys what is covered inside the Get Started guide, where you can see and you can find out what the, for example, seeds are. So seeds are something which I was trying to understand, and this is something which is quite interesting from the perspective if you want to create a video in the format of longer videos, so you can create more videos of the same ones. So instead of putting the same prompt, you can simply put in your seed prompt inside the software, and that software will create a similar video for yourself. So that's also can be found here in the Get Started guide. So now let's move on to the subject of animating your images. So there are two options. We can animate your images from the in HD format, but this will only cover the 2 seconds video. If you want to go, however, to 4 seconds, it will, in HD format, it will only be available shortly. It is not available now. It will be available on some stage in the future. However, if we click this button here, animate your image, that will be in SD format. Here we go. There's a 2 seconds and 4 seconds option available. Right, so let's go and try both of those options here. I just have a simple example image here, which I want to make this image, to be animated. So let's start create it. In the meantime, while this image will be creating here the animation of that image, let's move into the Get Started help section. So where you can see all this, everything is explained to you. So if you want to go ahead and read it through yourselves, in case if you might have some questions regarding on how to, for example, create the image, from text, that will be shown here. Also, if there is any questions you might have, there is a Discord where you can go ahead and ask the guys and some of the other the people who actually are creating the images of videos inside that software. So one of the users might able to help you out with that, with your answer, or if there is some sort of administrator of the Discord which will be able to help you out with this. Now let's see what is covered here inside the rules. So you have like we can go and explore, so we're gonna be seeing the video showcases. Everything is clearly explained. You can see the sections where there was a clear explanation on how to create these images and videos. Okay, you can read it through yourself. That's all been covered here. You can select generation mode. It's also been explained here how to create the video from text, how to animate your video, how to repaint your video as well. It's something which will be covered here. Everything is covered here inside this help section. The one thing which I want to show you guys is to give you some sort of explanation what the seed is. Okay, so where the seed is, I'm gonna show you quickly, but as the starting point for generating the initial image create, a seed is randomly generated for each image, but can be specified using parameters. If you use the same seed number and prompt, you will get similar final videos. So how to check the seed? You can find the seed in the video info section. We can go here and into this one here, and everything has been explained. And here is the seed here about the video. So if you create the video after creation of the video, you can go into the help video info section, and you can find yourself a seed. And how to use it: copy the seed from the video info section, paste the seed in the input bar. So where we're gonna see the input bars seed section, we're gonna take that seed number which is available inside the video info, and we paste it inside the seed section. Okay, so generate the video. Note what seeds is -1. It represents a random seed value. So if we put here -1, it will be randomly generated. However, if we put exactly the same number we found in under already created video info, the video which will be created then after should be stays the same. Now we can explain in that section, like for example, what is the motion level. Now, so let's go back to our Haiper Ai image animation. Let's see what's happened with the image which I just pasted in. There we go. It was generated. Nice one. 2 seconds. It's nicely done. You can also go and try to do it the same way, but with this is the one which I created just before I was testing it before I started this video. So this motion is a bit different to that motion here. They are both nicely done. I presume it's something which we definitely can use in some sort of short form content. That's no problem at all. I think it's quite amazing, where those images can be brought into the life. Plus, this Haiper tool, guys, is still free of charge to use. If you definitely would like to go ahead and check it out, I'm not sure how long it's gonna stay like that. The guys might start charging it shortly from now. However, for the moment, everything that's available here, it is fully free of charge. So, guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. So, if you want to hear more about it, just let me know inside the comment section. I'll be more than happy to create some more videos about the Haiper Ai. In the meantime, I want to thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day. Thank you.